guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hindi pala naka-on. Ay, naka-on pala. Happy New Year, guys. I'm super blessed to have a sit-down video right now. And for our kick-off, magre-review tayo ng products. So this is my first video for 2021. Oh my God, are you excited for this year? I am super excited for whatever blessings that will come in my way. God bless us all. So today, we will be talking about this Petals Renew Kit. Ito siya, guys. For the longest time, alam nyo na pinakita ko na siya yung unboxing ko. And you know me, I don't really want to review products which I haven't tried. So itatry ko talaga yan at bibigyan ko talaga ng chance. And for this, before sa aking review, we're going to talk about the packaging first. So, ang ganda ng packaging nila, guys. Super purpley, which I really love. And dito sa packaging nila, merong nakalagay na petals and then transparent yung mga products. Nakikita nyo, parang sneak peek, ganon. And then, meron dito nakalagay, Petals Renew Kit, achieve healthy radiant skin in just 7 days. Yun ang sinasabi nila. Merong instruction dito, nighttime instruction, daytime instruction. Yung mga ingredients nito, sinasabi nila yung petals na kojic acid soap is coconut oil, merong glycerin, lactic acid, zeolic acid, glycolic acid, kojic acid, lavender leaf extract for fragrance. And then yung toner is coconut oil, glycerin, propylene, glycolactic acid, zeolic acid, glycolic acid, kojic acid, lavender leaf extract, and fragrance. And meron din silang Renew Cream pala sa night, and then UV protection sa morning. So, yung nakalagay muna sa kanila yung instructions. Wash face, nighttime to. Wash face with Petals Lavender Kojic Soap. Rinse well and pat dry. But for me, ginagawa ko, hindi ko pinapat dry yung face ko. I let it dry para naman, parang yung moisture ma-retain, no? And then, after washing ng face with Petals Renew Soap, putting Petals Renew Cream, put on an ample amount of Petals Renew Toner. So, after ng washing ng Kojic Soap, maglalagay muna kayo ng toner. So, mostly, nilalagay ko siya sa cotton and then on upward motion. So, sa face at sa neck. And then, after washing, yun na nga, lagyan nyo ng Renew Cream. So, ito yan siya, guys. If i-open nyo siya, meron sa loob nito. By the way, this retails for 200 pesos SRP. Meron na siyang toner. Ito siya. Merong Renew Night Cream. The night cream, guys. And ito naman yung UV Protect. Yan. Sasabihin ko sa inyo later kung ano ang mga pros and cons. Ganon. And meron, of course, na Kojic Soap. Ito siya. If magtataka kayo, bakit gumagawa na siya ng review tapos meron pa pala? Guys, meron akong 3 nito. Alam nyo ba? Naubos ko na. Ito na lang yung natira. I will be having a birthday giveaway. So, isasali ko to sa giveaway ko. Okay, abang-abang sa giveaway natin. So, ilalagay ko muna to. So, pause muna tayo, guys. Kasi maingay. So, sa daytime naman, ang ginagawa ko is mag-wash lang ako ng Kojic Soap. Ayan. And then, maglalagay ako ng hindi ako maglalagay ng toner kasi ginagamit lang yung toner sa nighttime. And then after that, hindi naman siya renew, maglalagay ako ng UV protectant. Honestly, guys, isa-isahin natin. Yung Kojic Soap, nilalather ko siya sa aking palm, yung bubbles, and then I have this roll which is the 60 seconds or 1 minute na circular motion sa face ko. And then, meron akong i-insert dito na situation ng face ko prior to applying this one. Kasi, nagbe-breakout talaga ako ng todo. And, meron kasi itong, if gagamit kayo ng mga renewal kit, meron ito siyang pahinga na 1 month. So, within that 1 month, meron akong tinatry din na ibang products. And then, unluckily, hindi ko siya na-maintain ng maayos. Kaya, ang dami kong bumps, dumami yung pimples ko. Kasi, yung maintenance ko, parang napabayaan ko yung skin ko for almost a month. And then, I decided to review this product. And then, yun na nga, kasi nakapag-rest na naman yung face ko, trinay ko siya. Makikita nyo naman yung situation ng face ko noon. And right now, ito na ngayon. So, before ako magsasabi ng after sa paggamit nito, we're going to talk about the soap first. So, yung soap naman, super ganda niya sa face. It's a bit drying on my face, kaya nga pinapatuyo, hindi ko pinapat dry yung face ko after. I let the water soaked on my face. Pagkatapos kong i-wash, hindi na ako napapat dry ng face. Ganun lang siya. Dripping, but then it's okay. I let it dry naturally. Then after that, I apply the sunscreen or the UV Protect. Mostly, merong sunscreen SPF. Ito, UV Protect ang nakalagay. And, which I really, really love because kailangan mo talaga ng UV protectant after using these types of renewal kit. And it's a must-have. Sunscreen is a must-have for you if you're going to go out daytime. And I stopped using vitamin C muna because I'm using vitamin C. Vitamin C sa face ko, serum vitamin C and E, because if you're using these types of products, lalong ma-irritate yung skin mo. So, ginagamit ko lang yung morning routine ko while using this one is that the Kojic soap and the UV protectant. Kasi gusto ko talagang matry. And then, ang nangyari is, consistent ako ng 3 days. Merong one time na umalis kami, hindi ko in-expect na hindi kami makauwi by that night. So, hindi ko nadala yung soap ko at saka yung renewal kit ko. So, na-post siya ng 1 day. And then, ang na-ano ko lang is na-observe ko, pag morning agad, merong tumubo na pimples. So, I suggest na kasi super sensitive na nga yung skin ko, di ba? Ang dami kong naglalabasan na pimples, hormonal din. So, I realized na dapat pag gumamit kayo nito, tuloy-tuloy siya in 7 days. Huwag niyong putol-putulin, huwag tamad. Kasi skincare siya eh, huwag tamad. And after that, ang nangyari kasi is putol-putol yung paggamit ko. So, sinap ko talaga siya para bumalik ako ng another set na talagang straight siya for one week. So, yun na nga, nag-stop ako ng bali 3 days, bumalik ako ng gamit sa kanya. And then, yung masasabi ko sa toner, toner tayo. So, ginagamit ko lang siya nighttime, di ba? So, ang nangyari is, napapansin ko, yung time na nag-stop ako, ginamit ko lang yung, toner lang. Wala ako nung cream. Hindi nag-stop yung, pimples ko, hindi siya nag-shrunk. So, I decided na kung pagbalik ko ng talagang 7 days, kailangan talagang kumpletuhin yung steps. So, yun na nga na, para siya bang push and pull ang nangyayari sa mukha ko. Kaya sinabi ko na, I need to be diligent in applying this one. Kasi if toner lang, wala yung Renew Cream, walang effect. So, kailangan talaga siyang para ma-prevent kasi yung pimples ko yung main na agenda ko. Kaya, so far, na-try ko na talaga siya for the whole week, it has a tremendous effect. Yun na nga, nag-shrunk yung pimples ko, it helped out, yung mga acne ko, nagto-tone down sila, parang nagwawarla sila, and then, parang nag-shrunk sila, and then, ganito na yung face ko, though, hindi siya gaano super perfect, but then, it helps my skin na, parang, siya ba? Hindi na siya gaanong maraming pimples at bumps. So, pasensya kayo kasi yung mga bata, hindi pa sila recover sa New Year. Nagtuturotot pa rin. Okay, so yun ang suggestion ko sa inyo guys na if you're using a renewal kit, you need to be diligent in using it for consecutive days, and then after a month of using it, you need to really stop. It's advisable 1 month rest. Guys, baka sabihin nyo, hindi naman niya ginagamit ata kasi yung the one that I showed you is super full pa. So I have 2 more of this, and ito, wala na siya. Ang isa natapon ko na kasi yung toner na ng mga baby ko, natapon yung isang toner. So ang natira na lang is yung Night Renew Kit. Ang dami kong nagagamit kasi sa UV protectant, ginagamit ko siya ng sobrang bongga. Kaya madaling maubos yung ko. Supposedly 3 to, isa na lang natira sa aking sunscreen kasi naubos ko yung 2. And then naubos ko na yung isang set, so I'm on my 1 month na I'm on my resting stage, and the struggle for me is to maintain. So meron akong ibang product ngayon na ginagamit to maintain. And then as you can see, if you're going to watch the difference of my face before and after, you will really see a tremendous effect. Lang talaga siya. Hindi siya, kasi nakapag-try na ako ng mga ibang rejuvenating set or renewal set. Ito siya, super mild siya sa akin. Hindi ako nakaranas ng super peeling effect. Parang subtle lang yung peeling niya na pag ganun mo sa soap na yun lang natatanggal, pero hindi talaga yung malaking nagpipeel na peel. So sa tingin ko super mild siya, and yung effect niya, just be consistent And hindi yung salpakan ng salpakan. Talagang be consistent in your application morning and nighttime. And hindi yung putol-putol. I don't really suggest you to apply 2 nights and then rest. And then, apply na naman ulit. You need to be consistent on your application stage so that you will be able to see good results. And what happened is, yung nangyari kasi sa akin, parati akong lumalabas. So, parati akong nagmamask. So, yun na nga, mask ni, allergy ako sa mga, yung rubbing motion sa mga, kaya, ang daming nanunubo dito na banda. But so far, right now, nakiklear naman siya. Ang pangit talaga ng skin ko nung nag-rest ako. Hopefully, right now, I can maintain ko man lang. And, for me, guys, this is a Petals Renew Kit. Hindi siya sobrang matapang. And effective siya if you're going to do it diligently. Yun lang ang ma-advise ko sa inyo. And for a 200 SRP price, it is very good. And as always, my favorite is the sunscreen and the toner and Renew Cream. But then, hindi talaga ako na fan ng Renew Cream. Ginagamit ko lang siya for the whole process of renewal of skin sa rejuvenating set. Yung sabon, bongga, ginagamit ko talaga siya every day kasi I love it. And just make sure, after using the soap, kasi nagagamit yun ang soap sa face at sa skin, you need to put on sunscreen talaga. Kasi, protect nyo naman yung skin nyo. So, yan na guys. I hope you're going to like this and please give me a thumbs up if this helps. And of course, please do subscribe and share this video. And again, Happy New Year! And watch out for my birthday giveaways. So this is my birth month. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye for now. See you soon. Saranghe! Mwah!